The Aerolite Paragliding Reserve System by Performance Designs Paragliding Incorporated, Paris, California, USA. Most paragliding flights are uneventful, but problems can occur. The Aerolite Reserve was designed by 3 FAA-licensed master parachute riggers. Their combined experience totals more than 30 years of sport parachuting, over 7,000 actual parachute jumps, and more than 20 years experience designing and building parachutes for skydiving and hang gliding applications. Using this knowledge, they set out to design the premier paragliding reserve system. The new design would incorporate a quick opening in case of a low-altitude deployment, an excellent descent rate to reduce the chance of injury during landing, a snag-proof handle, a single-pin deployment system for simplicity, a small, compact package, a versatile mounting system. The deployment handle of the Aerolite Reserve was designed for both ease of deployment and to be resistant to accidental activation. The pillow-type handle provides a positive grip for deployment, but reduces the possibility of accidental opening on launch or landing, yet pulls with very little force. The testing starts at ground level. Here we see several reserve deployments. They demonstrate how easy the system is to operate and how fast the reserve parachute is exposed to the air. At 14,000 feet above sea level, test pilots using skydiving equipment perform actual in-air reserve deployments. Valuable video footage was gathered during these tests of the deployment system and parachute opening sequence. Knowing the system works from high altitude, the test pilots move to a 100-foot crane. Using a bungee cord as a backup, the testing begins. Starting at 100 feet above the ground with 0 airspeed, the test pilots let go of the crane and activate the reserve system. Most reserves open in approximately 50 feet. Several different bridle lengths can be seen here. Even the reserves with 20-foot bridles are fully inflating. Aerolite reserves utilize pull-down apex parachutes for fast opening times and low descent rates. Using weights to 350 pounds and aircraft speeds of up to 80 knots, we now test the strength of the parachute itself. Specially designed pull-down apex parachutes, also known as PDA parachutes, reduce oscillations to a minimum. Timing the descent rate from a known altitude to landing, the design team can measure the descent rate. After having extensively tested and refined each design goal, we have now reached the final testing stage. Test pilots intentionally go into negative spins, spiral dives, and induced collapses, and then deploy their reserve parachutes. All of the testing in simulated and actual deployments that have been performed on the Aerolite reserve system demonstrates that it not only meets, but exceeds its original design goals. In the first 12 months the Aerolite reserve system was on the market, 4 American and 1 Swiss pilot used the system in real-life emergency situations. All 5 pilots walked away unhurt and agreed that without their Aerolite reserve system, they would have suffered serious injury or worse. Here, test pilots land reserves on the ground with their wings totally collapsed. The Aerolite reserve provides excellent descent rates to reduce the chance of injury on landing. Aerolite Paragliding Reserve Systems. State-of-the-art design, quality constructed, rigorously tested, made in the USA. Built for you, the paragliding pilot who demands proven performance. For more information, contact Performance Designs or the nearest paragliding dealer or school in your area. Blue skies, happy and safe flying.